Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Chase business account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download your Chase PDF bank statements? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download your Chase PDF bank statement anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, part of that is record keeping, and sometimes your accountant asks you for PDF bank statements. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Chase online banking. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Chase account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to download your PDF bank statements, here on the top blue menu, you're going to click on account. Once you click on there, you're going to click on statements and documents. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu on the left. Make sure you've clicked on statements. Once you've clicked on statements, you go ahead and choose the year that you want to download. Once you've chosen the year, you're going to see all of your accounts that you have with Chase. Go ahead and click on the blue arrow for the account that you want to download the PDF bank statement for. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your statements. And then off to the right, you're going to see these two options. The paper is going to open up a PDF into the browser. But if you want to download the PDF, click on the downward arrow to download your PDF Chase bank statement. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download your PDF Chase bank statement, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.